Hi everyone, my name is Taysum, and I chose an ad for the Nike Women's campaign. I chose it just due to its uniqueness and creativity. I loved this ad. So in the original ad, you can see that they chose to make two emphases in this ad. Your focus is immediately drawn to the typography on the words as well as the women. In the typography, they chose a sans serif block font backed by the color blocking. It's unique because they chose to make some of the words different sizes and thicknesses, breaking up just the monotonous square letters. It made it unique and helped those words stand out against the background. They also chose a catchy phrase just to help motivate women and to help it stand out in people's minds, as well as taking the Nike logo and turning it pink, which is helping target towards those women that this ad is designed for. The other half of this ad that you are drawn to is the women wearing the bright colors, wearing the Nike logo, as well as getting ready to go for a run. With these bright colors and everything, it's very tailored towards women. And I really liked that. In the ad I created, I tried to create things along the same line as that original. So I made it so she's the focus, along with those words. So in my ad, I chose another similar font with a sans serif bold block lettering, again with the different sizes and thicknesses to help draw your attention to that and to break up just the monotonous letters. I as well tried to make them stand out and follow that consistency with the color blocking as in the first ad. I as well added a hot pink Nike logo, drawing it towards women and making it cohesive with the first ad. And in making her the emphasis as the women were in the last one, she's wearing pretty dull colors, so that couldn't be the focus, but I drew attention to her with her size. I made her half of the ad so that you're drawn to look at her right after you see those bright words, due to her size in this ad. I also tried to make consistency and cohesiveness with the first one. As you can see with the colors that I chose, I ended up choosing the same color block background for the words as the other one. It's that same teal with the hot pink, so those two contrasting colors that work very nicely together. And then I drew those same colors into the water bottle and onto the logo that's on her clothing, as well as the hot pink logo that's on her water bottle, using a consistent color palette so that when people were to look at this, they were to see the first ad, the original ad, like a week ago, see this again, they would be able to tie those two together not only through the Nike brand, but through a consistent campaign and design, color palette, typography, all those things being consistent between the two ads and linking them together in someone's mind. This was fun to create just because Nike does have a lot of cool ads with catchphrases. So creating a catchphrase to go with this that is consistent with the motivational kind of things they do was really fun. And I really liked making these two ads and finding that consistency between the two of them.